In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rectangular and square shapes in CapCut on PC. If you need to highlight a specific area on your screen, frame important details, or place a clean geometric background behind text, CapCut makes this very simple. The good news is that you do not need to draw these shapes manually. CapCut already includes a built-in library of crisp vector shapes that you can use right away, which makes the whole process much faster and cleaner. To get started, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Stickers tab. This opens the sticker library, where CapCut stores a wide range of graphic elements. In the sidebar on the left, scroll downward until you find the category labeled Shapes, then click on it. This section contains the basic geometric options you'll need, including solid squares and outline-style shapes. Once you're inside the Shapes category, look through the grid and find the square or rectangular outline style you want to use as your starting point. When you see the shape you want, click the blue plus icon on its thumbnail. As soon as you do that, CapCut places the shape directly onto your timeline as a sticker overlay. You'll see it appear above your main video track, which is exactly where it should be. This is useful because it allows the shape to sit on top of your footage without replacing or affecting the video underneath. Next, click on the shape block in the timeline to make sure it is selected. Then move your attention to the preview window in the center of the screen. Around the shape, you'll notice blue adjustment handles. These handles let you control the size and proportions of the object directly on the canvas. If you want to keep it as a square, you can simply resize it while maintaining its proportions. But if your goal is to turn that square into a rectangle, click and hold either the middle handle on the right side or the middle handle on the left side. Drag horizontally outward to stretch the shape wider. This changes the dimensions cleanly and gives you a custom rectangle that can fit over text, interface elements, or any area you want to emphasize on screen. That's really all there is to it. By opening the Shapes section, adding a square or outline sticker to the timeline, and adjusting it in the preview window, you can quickly build clean rectangular and square graphics for your edits. It's a fast, practical method that works especially well for tutorials, callouts, and screen recordings.